Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be like an update video, but before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, this video is going to be an update of the clippings I'm wearing. I've had this clipping for some months now, so I just want to tell you how it's been holding up. So the clipping is from CurlsCurls hair company. I did a video on it, like an unboxing video on it about 3 or 4 months ago. I think 3 months ago. As you guys can see, it's still looking absolutely beautiful. I did a center part, a middle part for it, and this is the only thing I used, and I have this much left. So but before using it again, I washed and conditioned and moisturized it again, which is very important. That's the key thing when it comes to extensions like this. For you to maintain it and for it to last longer, you need to always moisturize, wash it, and then condition it very well. And that's what I did, and I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys some styles I've been able to do with this clipping. Of course, I'm gonna put all the links and everything that has to do with this clipping in the description box below. Without further ado, let's just get into the video.
Hi guys, so first thing I'm gonna do is to wash and condition the clippings. So after washing it and letting it dry, I'm going to go ahead and start installing the clippings. So I want to do like a middle part, so I'm creating a middle part here. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and start installing the clippings. So after installing the clippings, I'm going to go ahead and try to blend it with my natural hair. And this is what it looks like, guys. You guys can see it looks very natural and very beautiful. So I went ahead to try a couple of styles. As you guys can see, this clipping is absolutely versatile. You can do practically anything with it. So I went ahead to, do like a braid in the middle of my hair because I want to do like a high bun style. And then I'm going to put it into a bun and I'll start wrapping it like so. And that's it, guys. You guys can see this style looks so beautiful. It looks so natural, very, very lovely. And yes, that's what's gonna be for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.